everyone, and welcome to First Lutheran's faith formation class called Holy Moly. Holy Moly! I heard it again. Oh, Dolene, I'm so glad you came in today. We got a story that has lots and lots of rules in it.
Oh, I just went to school and I had some rules there too.
Well, our story today is called the 10 Commandments, and we're going to learn about a man who gets two big tablets of stone, and God has given him some rules. The Israelites were on their way to the land God had promised them. It was a long way. With God watching over them, the men, the women, and children walked and walked and walked over the hot, dry land. And when they got tired and they needed rest, they would set up tents and camp together under the stars. Oh. While they were camping at the bottom of the mountain called Mount Sinai, something incredible happened. On the morning of the third day, Dolene, they were there. A dark cloud covered the mountain. Crash! Boom! Bang! Lightning and thunder filled the sky, and the people were afraid. Suddenly, the voice of God called to Moses, and God asked Moses to climb to the top of the mountain. So Moses grabbed his walking stick and he climbed up and up and up. And when he got to the top of the mountain, God spoke.
Moses, listen up. I have important rules for you and the people to live by. You can turn to this list to know how to love God and each other. Do your best to follow this list. It won't be easy, but I am with you and I love you.
Then God gave Moses a list of 10 special rules, and they were called the commandments. And they were:
I am God, the only God. Honor me above all other things and people. There are no other gods for you, only me. My name is special. Don't use it with bad words or mean talk. Take a day of rest each week. Call it the Sabbath and make it a special day for God. Show your mom, dad, and others who take care of you love and respect. Don't hurt others with your words or actions. If you get married, you must be loyal to your husband or wife. Don't take things that aren't yours. Tell only the truth about your family, friends, and even those you do not know. Be happy with what you have. Don't wish for things that other people have.
And with that, the dark cloud went away, and Moses walked down, down, down the mountain. And the people were still scared from the dark clouds and thunder.
Don't be afraid. God has given us special rules to teach us how to live together in peace.
Moses told the people about God's rules, and they did their very best to follow them.
Miss Paula,
Yes, Dolene?
why did God give so many rules? 10? My teacher only gave us 9.
Well, Dolene, 10 rules does seem like a lot, and probably 9 seems like a lot in your stable school too. But God gave us those rules so that we would learn how to love each other more and to love God more and to keep us safe while we're doing that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we'll do our very best, you at school and me at work, to keep those rules and the commandments that God gave us.